Welcome back to AI Personal Finance, where we teach you how to turn your passion into profit using nothing but your creativity and your internet connection. Today, we're diving into something you probably didn't know could make you money. Pokémon Presents. That's right, those YouTube live streams where the Pokémon Company announces new games, apps, updates, and merch. You can turn those broadcasts into income, legit income. So grab your Pokeball and get ready, because I'm breaking down 3 ways to make money from Pokemon, even if you're just starting out. And if you stay till the end, I'll show you the exact steps to launch your own monetized content this week. Let's go. First, let's cover the basics. Pokémon Presents is an official video series from the Pokémon Company. It's like Nintendo Direct, but for Pokémon fans. They announce everything from new Nintendo Switch games, mobile apps like Pokémon Go, anime series, trading cards, and more. These presentations drop a few times a year, usually around February, July, and sometimes during big events like E3 or Pokémon Day. Millions of fans tune in live or watch the replay, but very few realize this. You can legally monetize content around these events. Here's the first way to make money. Live stream Pokémon Presents with live commentary. This is called co-streaming. The Pokémon Company allows this as long as you add your own voice or personality to the stream. You don't re-upload the event without commentary. And you follow basic community rules, family-friendly content, no hate speech, no crypto or gambling sponsors. So how do you make money doing this? YouTube ads during the live stream, super chats and super stickers, sponsorships from gaming brands or gear companies, affiliate links for Pokemon merch, Switch accessories, and more. Here's an example. Let's say you streamed the July Pokemon Presents. You add a countdown timer, hype it up on your socials, then react live. Viewers join your stream to hear your thoughts in real time, and you earn while talking Pokemon. It's simple. It's fun. And yes, it's profitable. Maybe you don't want a live stream. That's fine. You can also make post-event videos and monetize those fully. Here are some killer content ideas you can make right now. Top 5 announcements from Pokémon Presents. Everything you missed in 10 minutes. New Pokémon game explained. Will this Pokémon game flop or win? Why this new Pokémon mobile app could go viral. These types of videos can bring evergreen views and consistent YouTube ad revenue over time. Plus, you can repurpose this content into YouTube Shorts, TikTok clips, Instagram Reels, Threads or X reactions. Now let's talk affiliate marketing, the quiet way creators earn even more. Pokemon fans love merch, so you can. Link to t-shirts, hats, plushies, Switch cases, and more. Use Amazon Associates or gaming affiliate programs. Add discount codes and earn a percentage of each sale. You can even pre-write affiliate blog posts or scripts tied to Pokémon Presents announcements. For example, top 10 items you'll need for Pokémon Legends A through Z. Where to pre-order the new Pokémon game and earn cashback. Don't stop there. You can land brand deals too. Just make sure your sponsor follows Pokémon's rules. No crypto. No gambling. No adult content. Good fits include gaming headset brands, chair or desk accessory companies, anime subscription boxes, Nintendo Switch accessory brands. Here's what can get your channel flagged or demonetized. Uploading the entire Pokémon Presents without commentary. Using copyrighted music from the event. Implying you're affiliated with Pokémon or Nintendo. Promoting restricted sponsors like NFTs, crypto, or gambling. Remember, the Pokémon Company is generous, but they protect their IP. Stay respectful, add your voice, and you're golden. Now, here's your action plan to start making money from Pokémon Presents. Step 1. Go to the official Pokémon YouTube channel and subscribe. Turn on notifications for the next Pokémon Presents date. Step 2. Decide your content style. Will you live stream it live with commentary? Or make a breakdown video after? Step 3. Prepare your YouTube setup. Thumbnails, titles, tags, monetization settings, optional affiliate links. Step 4. Schedule your upload or live stream. Promote it 1 to 2 days ahead of time on your socials or inside gaming communities. Step 5. Publish, engage with comments, and repeat with every new Pokemon event. This is a long-term strategy. Even if your first video gets 100 views, keep going. Pokemon fans are loyal, and search traffic stacks up over time. If you love Pokemon and you want to start building passive income the smart way, this is your sign to take action. Pokémon Presents isn't just entertainment, it's an opportunity. Hit that like button if you found this helpful. Subscribe to AI Personal Finance for weekly videos on how to turn your phone, your content, and your passion into income. Thanks for watching. Now go create and catch some cash, not just Pokemon.